Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
The teddies were planting new flowers in a flower bed.
Oh, hey, look, everyone. There's Kevin. He's come to smell the new flowers too.
Oh, hello, Kevin.
Oh, I better get Kevin out of there or he might get wet. There, it's safer here. Oh, I wish you could be my pet, Kevin.
Oh, Morgan, Kevin can't be a pet.
What?
You can't take a butterfly for walks.
But, oh, I know, but I wish I had a pet. Maybe a cuddly kitten that would purr when I stroked it. Or maybe a puppy.
A puppy?
If I had a puppy, I could teach it tricks and throw sticks for it to chase.
You know, puppies are a lot of work. And puppies make lots of mess. And while we're working in the park, the puppy would be lonely at home.
Well, we could get 2 puppies. And then they could keep each other company.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's puppy time. Ruff, woof, ruff.
The bananas had a tricky idea. They dressed up as puppies.
Here's a puppy tail for you, puppy one.
Ruff. And here's a puppy tail for you, puppy 2.
How does it feel, puppy one?
Ruff, ruff.
When Morgan got back home, there was a surprise waiting for him.
What was that? It sounds like puppies! Ooh, 2 banana puppies come to play with me! Yay! Oh, they're very cute. I'll call this one Spot and this one Dot. Hey, Spot and Dot, do you want to go for walkies in the park? Yay!
So Morgan took his puppies to the park.
Come on. Now, Spot and Dot, would you like to learn some tricks? This is how you beg. Now, beg, puppies. No, Spot and Dot, that's not begging, that's dancing. This is begging. Now, beg. No, Spot and Dot. You're not doing what you're told. That's not begging. Oh, if you beg properly, I'll give you something puppies love to eat. Now, beg. That's it. Good Spot, good Dot. How would you like some doggy biscuits?
Do we have to eat them, Spot?
Well, I don't think dog biscuits taste very good, Dot. Only real puppies like them. Let's go.
No, puppies, come back. Oh, what about the dog biscuits? Oh, not the garden. Puppies.
Oh, we're sorry, Morgan. We can't be real puppies.
We just wanted you to have fun, Morgan.
I know. Never mind.
Morgan, you've got some puppies. Oh, can we play with them?
Well, if you like, but be careful. They don't always do what they're told.
Puppies, bitch. No, puppies. Puppies, come back.
I'd better get you out of the way, Kevin. At least you're not as much trouble as a puppy.
Puppies are sometimes lots of trouble, aren't they? But they can be lots of fun too.
Where can we put you?